to go to the admin page. And so I know not everyone has access to this, but for those who would be in charge of kind of assigning GAs and things like that, you should be relatively familiar with this screen. So I'm going to pull up my account here, and you can see already there's a little bit of UI enhancement and change here, which is associated with tickets 1750 and I think 1753. So for those who may have been tracking that, those are kind of the ticket numbers that are going to be showcased here. So in one of those, it was the ability to have multi-select agencies. So you can see here, previously it was just a drop down and you wouldn't have this nice little X here. You would just have it here. But now with being able to multi-select, I can add additional agencies here, of course, based on your system, so or your legacy agency. So if I add US Wildland Fire Service here, that will allow me to have options for anything associated to the USWFS. One way we realized as we were kind of building this out was if we're going to have multi-select agencies, we kind of need to be able to know what agency is being associated to what region at this time. So when I hit the drop down here, you'll see because I have BLM, I have all of my BLM options, but those are called out as such. This is also because there may very well be overlap in the names of some of our agencies with the US Wildland Fire Service. I think Northwest might be an example, or California. So we've got BLM, and then now I've got the US Wildland Fire Service. And what should be available to folks are all of the GAs identified. So I think there's everything. California, I believe, is just one, so that's just the one unit, not north and south. Alaska has its own, but then I believe Hawaii is in with California as well. So all that said, that's kind of the breakdown there. But I'm going to go ahead and give myself the GA Eastern region, and I'm also going to maybe drop down here and give myself a unit ID identifier. So I'll give myself the Northeast District Office. So you can see here all the way through, there should be some sort of indicator of what agency you're selecting from so that you kind of know. But you will see here, I only have the GA Eastern unit here, and at this time, because I don't think we have those subunits identified yet, we don't have, because we know that there are some units currently that are kind of split between GAs. We have not populated any of that information at this time. So right now, for folks who may be assigning these, you can only assign to that regional or GA level. But that should hopefully enable folks to do what they need to do in kind of this interim phase. So I'm going to go ahead and actually I'm going to save this